Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Christina and welcome to today's video. Hi guys, so I wanted to preface this video by saying that I actually filmed this back in like March or April. Yeah, super long time ago, but I just never posted it because I felt like it was kind of irrelevant at the time because it was literally a whole year after COVID and I'm sure people had their own personal makeup routine. But now that the mask mandates are back on, in LA at least, I don't know, I was just hoping that maybe this routine would help at least one person that watches this. That would make me feel so much better. Yeah, that sounded really self-centered. I just want to help someone, okay? Anyways, let's get on with the video. So, as you can see, I'm wearing a mask here, and that's because today I wanted to show you guys my mask makeup routine, and that's basically the foundation routine that I do to ensure that my makeup stays in place all day after wearing a mask. Notice how I didn't say that this is non-transferable makeup because I find it impossible for makeup to not transfer after a long day of wearing a mask, and like you have to talk to people or like cashiers or whatever. And so today I wanted to show you my routine, which I think is a foolproof way of keeping your makeup in place all day. And I know I'm a whole year late to this, but hear me out. I feel like that just means that I've had a whole year to work on this and really perfect it, and I feel like it has because I'm filming this intro right now. At the end of my day, it's actually 4:44 p.m. Oh shit, I just spilled coffee all over my desk, but it's actually 4:44 p.m. Oh my god. I don't know if that was a good sign or a bad sign. Anyway, so it's the end of my day and I'm wearing this mask to show you guys that my makeup still looks good at the end of the day. Like, how does this look? Right? You see the contour, you see the blush, the highlight, and like I remember the first time that I did my makeup when we had to start wearing masks, like you could see a line in my blush and contour from like the strings of the mask, which is it's hella embarrassing actually. And so that's why I really changed up my routine to really like set my makeup in place. As I was saying, it's the end of the day and I feel like my makeup still looks pretty great, and if you like what you see, continue watching for the whole routine. Alright, so I'm gonna do a voiceover, kind of a voiceover, but not really because you guys are still gonna be able to see me. But I'm gonna be watching my video as I record the voiceover. I don't know, maybe you guys will like this process, maybe not, I don't know. I just think it'd be really cool. Alright, let's get started. Alright, so first things first, to keep that makeup locked and on, we're going to be using primer. My favorite is this Smashbox primer. It is literally my holy grail. I never use any other primer. Next, we're going to use Laura Mercier's. We're going to use this powder, and I know that's a lot of powder that I'm putting on, but powder is key to making the makeup not smear. I don't know what the science behind it is. I'm not a makeup guru. I just know it works. So yeah, you're gonna set the primer with some powder. And then this next step is optional if you don't need to do any color correcting, but I have a ton of redness in my skin and I use green concealer to color correct the redness. If you don't need to do it, you can totally skip this section. Usually after color correction, I add concealer on just to make sure the skin tone is that color, because if you leave just color corrector on and you put your foundation over it, you can actually still see the green tint. So I like to add a concealer. That way it's just skin color. Alright, so after concealer, I put on my foundation and I use this Lancome foundation. This foundation is actually for oily skin, which I feel like is perfect because if you have oily skin, it's a lot easier for your makeup to smear when the oils start coming out of your pores. That was not the most scientific explanation, but you guys get what I mean. So I like to use a foundation that is for oily skin because the foundation will help you absorb the oil and control the oil. That way your makeup just won't smear. And then after foundation, I like to do my contour. I like to use a cream contour first to really get that like deep shadowed look in your like, what is this called? This hollow space right here. Guys, I am not a makeup guru, but I have found this works, so please just bear with me. Alright, and then after doing all your cream-based makeup, we're going back in and setting it again with powder. Like I said, powder is key in this makeup routine. Alright, so after I set everything with powder, I go in with all my powder makeup. So this is contour again, but powder contour. Your girl has a round face, so I need all the help that I can get to build some cheeks here. And then after the contour, I like to use my favorite blush palette ever. It is the, I can't remember what brand it is, but it's the Pirates of the Caribbean one. Alright, and then the last step is highlight. It is one of the most important parts because this part is literally the only part of your cheek that's going to be showing above the mask, so make sure your highlight is blinding. And that's it. Then I set my makeup again with Urban Decay setting spray, and let me tell you, this setting spray is chef's fucking kiss. It is my holy grail. There's this one at Coachella where before going into the event, I fell into the pool fucking twice with my makeup on, but because I had used Urban Decay setting spray, my makeup was like fine. It was like perfect. I did not have to retouch it before going to the event. But anyways, thank you so much for watching this video. I really hope that this video helped at least one person, or at least one of these steps made sense to you and really help you with your makeup under your mask. Please like this video if you liked it. Please hit the subscribe button if you haven't yet, and hit that notification button so that you will be notified the next time I have a video. And until then, thank you guys again so much for watching. I will see you in my next video. Bye.